Lalo na sa ramyun, yung Korean noodles. Yan. Saka sa may mga sabaw. Sarap to. Try nyo minsan magluto nito. Masarap. Ito lang yan. Iwain lang natin itong mga to na maliliit.
So that you can do your own ice cream, you are banned, and I am going to contact 911 to not only arrest me, but for also not paying for the because this is absolutely foul. So you need
Yan,
girls.
mga kosaw.
Girls.
Hiwa na natin. Ito naman, hiwain na natin to. Napakaluan ko na to. Yan, malambot na. Kailangan pa kukuluan nyo muna para pag gisa, malambot na siya. Hiwain natin.
You're definitely down. I don't care. There's no sucks anyway. So why do you keep on going to it? Because I see you every Wednesday. Come here. If it sucks so bad, then go to a different one. Because you're obviously not going to be alone.
Masarap sana to kung yung
Whatever.
pangsanggupsal. Ayun, kaya lang medyo mahal. Ganito na lang.
Okay, like, come on.
Liempo, mahal din.